kindergarten. It's Miss Gardner, and welcome to another day of calendar. Let's go ahead and get started today with our date, okay? Yesterday, the date was the 16th. What's one more than 16? 17. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my 17 right here. That's a teen number, so it's gonna start with a 1 and then a 7. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my 17 to my calendar, okay? And let's say our date together. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. That is our date for today. Let's talk about our month. What month are we in again? We are in the month of November. Let's go ahead and clap the syllables in November. November. How many syllables? 3. And if we're thinking about the word November, and I ask you, what's the ending sound in November? What do you hear? November. I should hear you going, Yes, that is the end sound in November. Let's go ahead and look at our days over here. Okay. Yesterday, if today is Tuesday, let me go ahead and put that there first. Okay, if we want to figure out what yesterday was, here's Tuesday. We're going to take one day back. Yesterday was Monday. And I accidentally put that on the wrong day. So today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Now, if we want to figure out what tomorrow will be, we have to find Tuesday and go one day ahead. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Now, if we're thinking about our days in a week, how many days in a week, friends? There are 7 days in a week. Can you show me 7 on your fingers? So you should have one whole hand and 2 more. There are 7 days in a week. How many days in a weekend? We have Saturday and Sunday. So there are 2 days in a weekend. And how many days in a school week? Let's go over that really quickly. We go to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So how many days in a school week? 5 days in a school week. Alrighty, let's keep moving along. We're going to look at our weather. We are still in the season of fall, and it looks like the weather is pretty sunny today. So I'm going to go ahead and take away my cloudy. So the weather is sunny. Let's go ahead and continue with our number of the day. Our number of the day is the number. What number is that, friends? That's the number 5. You are very correct. Let's go ahead and start with doing our tally. Now, this one is special because when we're doing our tallies, something happens that is special, okay? So watch me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and what happens when we get to 5? Do I make another line, right, just like these ones? No, I do not. I'm going to make a slash across just like that, very diagonal. That is how we tally the number 5. Let's keep going with our 10 frame. We're going to fill in our 10 frame today. And today I think I'm going to use, let's see if you can figure out this pattern. But first, let's go ahead and graph our 10 frame. So we're going to graph how many? 5. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have represented the number 5 in our 10 frame. Can you tell me, what is our pattern here? What's our pattern? What's the rule? I have red, blue, red, blue, red. What's that pattern? If you said AB pattern, you are very correct. We just created an AB pattern with our 10 frame. Let's keep going with our domino. We're going to do our domino for today. And we're going to domino how many? 4. How many dots? 5. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we did our domino. Now we're going to go back up here with our numbers because we've been learning about one more and one less. And we are going to talk about what's one more than 5 and what's one less than 5. Remember yesterday, what did we use? What strategy did we use? Or what tool did we use? Yeah, we used our calendar. Now, if you're at home, you can use your hundreds chart to help you, okay? And so we are going to look at our calendar here. And our number for today is 5. So let's go ahead and find 5 together. Now, if we want to figure out what's one more, we go one number ahead. And one more than 5 is 6. Because that's the number that's next to 5. So I'm going to go ahead and put my number 6 here. Now, we're going to use that same strategy, except we're going to go one number back. So here's 5. And we're going to go one number back. And what's one less than 5? What do you see there? That's the number 4. Just like that. And there we go. Let's go ahead and look at our days in school. Remember yesterday I told you that something special was going to happen today. What's going to happen, friends? We are going to we're going to make a new bundle because yesterday we were in school 69 days. So after we get 10, we make a bundle. So if yesterday was 69, what's one more? 70. So let's go ahead and get started over here with our bundles. I am going to make a new bundle. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many for a bundle? 10. 10 for a bundle. So how many more do I need to add? One more. So I have added one more to my bundle. And I don't have the rubber band right now, but we know that it's a bundle, so I'm going to go ahead and stick it in the tens place, okay? But first, I need you to help me. I need you to first help me. Let's change these numbers over here. So we no longer have 6 bundles of 10 anymore. We're going to have 7. So I'm going to change this 6 to a 7. And are we going to have any in the ones? No, because it's 70 and just 70. So I'm going to make, if there's no sticks in there, then what number would that be? That would be the number 0. You are very correct. Okay. So, oops, drop these in the wrong thing here. Alrighty. So now I'm going to need your help. We are going to count by 10. That's our new skill we're learning. We're going to count by 10 with our bundles, okay? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. Now, we just counted by tens all the way to 70, but our goal is for you to be able to count by tens all the way to 100. So we are going to get ready to do that, okay? Here we go. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very nice job, friends. Let's look at our numbers by tens. Let's look at all those numbers. They have something that is the same in each of those numbers. Let's look at 10. 10 is a 1 and a 0. 20 is a 2 and a 0. 30 is a 3 and a 0. what do all these numbers have in common? What's the same about them? They all have the number 0 right after it. Just like that, see? 10, 1 and a 0. 20, 2 and a 0. Isn't that pretty cool? Yeah. So let's count by tens one more time together. Okay? Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very nice job, friends. Okay, we're going to actually do another pattern. I know we kind of talked a little bit about an AB pattern, but today I want you friends to help me build an AAB. An AAB. So there's two that are going to be the same and one is going to be different. So for my AAB pattern, I'm going to use green and yellow, okay? I'm going to use green and yellow. So here we go. A, so green, and then B for yellow. Tell me what colors I need next to continue to extend my AAB pattern. Yes, I need green. Green. What's next? Yep, another green, and then yellow. If I wanted to continue to extend this pattern, what color would come next? Let's review our pattern really quickly before that. Green, green, yellow, green, green, yellow, and what would come next? Green. Alrighty, friends. Now we're going to look at our new sight word, okay? We have a brand new sight word for today. Here we go. Can you help me say the poem? Hickety pickety bumblebee, can you say this word for me? Our new word is come. Can you say that? Come. Say that again. Come. Before we get started, let's think about what do we hear? What's the end sound we hear in this word? Come. Now I know you see that E there at the end, but actually it's a tricky E. You can't hear it, can you? No. But our end sound in the word come is Let's go ahead and spell our new word come. You ready? C-O-M-E. Good. Let's go ahead and shout it. Come. Whisper it. Come. Clap it. Come. Let's clap it 2 times. Come, come. Let's stomp it 3 times. Come, come, come. Let's cheer it. Come. Very nice job, friends. Let's go ahead and review our new word we learned yesterday, which was R. Can you say that with me? R. That's our new word we learned yesterday. And what are the letters in R? A-R-E-R. So we have R from yesterday, and our new word is come. Say that with me. Come. Good. Now, before we finish calendar today, we're going to practice some ending sounds. So I'm going to give you a word, and you are going to tell me what's the end sound you hear. Let's start with the word rug. Rug. You say it. What do you hear? G. G. Good. That's what I heard. G. G. Good. Our next word, how about the word hat? Hat. You say it. Hat. What's the end sound? T, t, t. Very good job, friends. Let's do one more. How about the word book? Book. You say it. What do you hear? K, k, k. Very good job, friends. That's all we have for calendar today. I'll see you next time. Bye.